How to use Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel on PC. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to use the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel on a PC in 2025. Whether you're a racing enthusiast or just starting, this guide will help you set up and optimize your racing wheel for an enhanced gaming experience. Locate the USB cable that comes with the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel. Plug the USB cable into an available USB port on your PC. Ensure the wheel is properly connected by checking for any indicator lights on the device. Visit the Thrustmaster support website to download the latest drivers for the Ferrari 458 Spider. Download the driver file compatible with your operating system. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install. Restart your PC after installation to ensure the drivers are correctly applied. Open your racing game of choice and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Controls or Peripherals section. Select the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider as your main input device. Before diving into a race, it's crucial to test your setup. Start a practice session or time trial in your game. Check the responsiveness of the steering and pedals. Make any necessary adjustments to the sensitivity or button mapping based on your experience. Setting up the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel on your PC can greatly enhance your racing experience. By following the steps, you can ensure that your wheel is properly connected, configured, and optimized for your favorite racing games. If you run into issues, remember to consult the Thrustmaster support resources or community forums for additional help. Enjoy your racing!
Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.